Hello there and welcome to Linux Studio, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to install the official Linux desktop application for Todoist. So Todoist is a very popular to-do list making application, and recently they have also introduced a boarding feature, so you can view your task in a list format and in a board format as well to get the broader picture. So let's see how to install this amazing tool on Linux. So by default Todoist is not available for Linux. So on the downloads page of the application, we get this CryDOS community managed repository. From here you can download the Electron wrapper for Todoist web version application, and the build files are available here, so you can download your rpm, pacman.debian files and install them in your system. However, in this guide I'm going to show you how to install the official Todoist application on Linux. So it's a snap build. That means you need to have a snap support in your distribution. So Ubuntu already have the snap support and some distribution comes with it, but a lot of distributions do not support snap by default. However, you can easily install or add the snap support in your distribution by following these simple guides on the download page. For example, if you're using like Manjaro, then you can simply click on the Manjaro and go below. You will see these three commands. You just have to run these commands and snap will be properly configured in your system. Then you can easily execute the installation command for Todoist and it will get installed in the system. So when you have the snap support in your system, then just follow along. If you want to know more about snap, then please check out this guide on the channel. Now let's see how to install this tool in our Linux distribution. So the installation command is pretty straightforward. Just copy it from here. I'll provide the command in the description below, so do not worry about it. Open up the terminal and execute the command. This will fetch the Todoist application from the snap repo and install it in the system. As the installation has finished, you can simply search for the application on the application menu and open it up. So here is the application. Now you can simply log into your account and start using the app on your desktop and on other devices if you want to. So here's the application up and running in the system. So here you can see the lists, and if you want to see these lists in a board, then you can simply go here and click on this view as board, and they will start to show the list in a board. So this is the tool and this is how you can install it on your Linux distribution. It's an official tool and this is not an unofficial community managed tool. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.